Priya Juyal, and today we are taking you inside one of the most anticipated luxury launches in Greater Noida West Sector 1. So if you are planning to buy your dream home or looking for an investment opportunity, so make sure you will stay till the end because ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट देखकर आपके होश उड़ने वाले हैं. Come inside. Let me quickly give you the highlights about this project. Sobha Rivana is spread across approximately 11.7 acres of prime land in Sector 1, Greater Noida West. The development will feature 8 standalone residential towers launched in 2 phases. One of the biggest highlight is that nearly 80% of the land is dedicated to open green spaces. As you can see, making it one of the lowest density premium communities in the micro market. Every tower has only 4 apartments per floor, served by 4 high-speed elevators, ensuring maximum convenience and privacy. The project offers a unique river-themed concept, जो कि आपको दिल्ली NCR में किसी भी रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर नहीं मिलने वाला. ये एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट है जो शोभा ने लॉन्च किया है. And because of its thoughtfully planned orientation, every apartment will receive abundant natural sunlight and ventilation throughout the day. Now let's discuss about the strongest reason why this project is growing and its popularity is also rapidly growing. It's because of its location. Greater Noida West Sector 1. जी हाँ, शोभा रिवाना ग्रेटर नोएडा सेक्टर 1 में लोकेटेड है और ये लोकेशन वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग रेजिडेंशियल रीजन में से एक है दिल्ली NCR के. द प्रोजेक्ट ऑफर्स एक्सीलेंट कनेक्टिविटी टू 60 meters वाइड रोड, making daily commuting smooth and hassle-free. Noida, Central Noida, Delhi are easily accessible from here. Major schools, hospitals, shopping mall, commercial hubs, entertainment zones are already operational nearby. Another advantage is the neighborhood itself. The project is surrounded by premium development from reputed developers, which naturally supports long-term value appreciation. Now let's talk about the name behind this project, because in real estate the builder matters as much as location. Sobha Realty is a globally recognized developer known for its premium construction quality, attention to detail and in-house execution model. Unlike other developers who outsource construction, Sobha manages most of its work internally, allowing them to maintain exceptional construction quality standards. Their projects are known for precision engineering, premium finishes, timely delivery and long-term value appreciation. After the success of their earlier project, Sobha Rivana marks another premium addition to their portfolio in Greater Noida West. Now let's step inside the project. Sobha Rivana has been planned as a premium low-density residential community where open spaces speak priority over concrete. The entire development follows a river-inspired landscape design, creating a calm and refreshing environment throughout the township. Wide internal roads, landscape gardens, dedicated walking trails, and beautifully designed green pockets make the project feel more like a luxury resort than a conventional apartment complex. Vehicle movement is intelligently managed through basement access, keeping the podium level completely pedestrian friendly. This means children can play freely, senior citizens can enjoy peaceful walks, and residents experience a much safer community. Now let's look at the apartment options available. Sobha Rivana offer करता है 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences with sizes and configurations starting from 1300 square feet to 2700 square feet, with price starting from rupees 15,000 per square feet. Each apartment has been planned to maximize usable space, cross ventilation, privacy, and natural light. The layouts focus on practical luxury rather than unnecessary super built up area. Luxury today is not just about having a large apartment, it's about the lifestyle you enjoy every day. Sobha Rivana offers a premium clubhouse equipped with modern recreational and wellness facilities. Residents will enjoy swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor-outdoor games, yoga and meditation zone, multi-purpose hall, landscape gardens, senior citizen zones, outdoor sports facilities. प्रोजेक्ट में आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसे एक रिवर इंस्पायर्ड लैंडस्केपिंग क्रिएट की गई है, जो इस प्रोजेक्ट को और भी ज़्यादा यूनिक और स्पेशल बनाती है। The river-inspired landscaping throughout the project creates a peaceful environment that complements the luxury lifestyle. So, what actually makes Sobha Rivana stand out? First, it's the combination of an internationally recognized developer and one of the best locations in Greater Noida West. Second, the project offers around 80% open green space, which is difficult to find in today's residential developments. Third, only 4 apartments per floor with 4 elevators ensures better privacy and minimal waiting time. Fourth, the river-themed master planning gives the entire community a unique identity. And finally, the emphasis on natural sunlight, ventilation and efficient layouts makes everyday living much more comfortable. Now comes the most important question. Should you invest here? If you are an end user looking for a premium lifestyle backed by a reputed developer, Sobha Rivana definitely deserves serious consideration. If you are an investor, the project offers strong long-term potential because of premium builder brand, Sector 1 location, upcoming metro connectivity, excellent social infrastructure, limited premium supply, high appreciation potential. Rather than looking for quick short-term gains, this project is better suited for buyers focused on long-term wealth creation. Luxury homes बहुत सारे projects offer करते हैं, but very few will improve the way you actually live. Imagine waking up every morning with natural sunlight coming to your room, driving into a traffic-free community, spending your evenings beside beautifully landscaped river-inspired gardens, and living in a home built by one of the world's most reputed real estate brands. So guys, Sobha Rivana is not just another apartment launch. It's a thoughtfully planned premium community where location, construction quality, open spaces and lifestyle came together beautifully. अगर आपको latest pricing, floor plans, payment plans या फिर आपको exclusive site visit schedule करनी है, then simply contact Investor Arena on the number given on your screen. Our team will help you choose the best tower, the best floor, beside beautifully landscaped river-inspired garden. I am Divya Jayal and you are watching Investor Arena. अगर आपको ऐसी ही luxury developments और premium projects के साथ जुड़े रहना है, then invest wisely, stay smart and stay connected with Investor Arena. Until then, take care and bye-bye.